How to add a new Clash Royale account. If you want to create and add a new Clash Royale account, here is a quick and easy guide. Open your Clash Royale application, then tap onto the three horizontal lines. Here you have to select Supercell ID. Tap onto the settings gear. Then you have to select log out. This will take you back to the game login screen. After that, you have to tap Play without Supercell ID to start a new game from scratch. You have to complete all the tutorials to set your fresh account. To save progress, you have to go to settings and on Supercell ID you have to register. You have to use a different email to link your new account and easily switch between accounts later. And that's it. Now you have a new Clash Royale account.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.